When you need to redact just one person or a few and keep everyone else visible, you don't have to select and delete each object manually. Instead, you can use Invert Selection as a shortcut. Click Add Media and choose your file. Go to Auto Detect and select either heads or people depending on your needs. Click Submit to run detection. In the Objects panel below the video, click on the face or person you want to remain redacted. You can select more than one if needed. Right-click and choose Invert Selection. Redactor will now select all other detected objects, leaving your chosen subject unselected. Delete the selected objects to remove them from the project. Go to Render and Export. Choose the redaction style of your choice. Apply your preferred intensity and shape. Click Export Video to save the redacted file. Invert Selection flips your choices, making it faster to bulk select and delete unwanted objects in crowded scenes. Combined with the new Sticky Selection feature, you can even close Redactor and return later without losing your selection.